Okay, I'm going to put the bumper on today, the rear bumper. It's made in 3 pieces, well, and 2 caps, actually 6 caps. It's all 1/4-inch steel. So it's heavier. There we go. I guess I should have lowered the nothing like having a hoist and not using it to your best advantage. What a dipstick. That's better, I hope. Yeah, now I don't have to bench press it. So much easier. Oh, yes. I go there. There we go. I'm not putting any hardware on it because it's coming off for galvanizing or painting or something. I'm not sure what's going on with it yet, but we will figure it out. This one's being a little stubborn. Okay. Now we got these little pieces, and this is passenger side hitch, so it goes this way. It covers up our bolts. And I got lock nuts on these ones. Pretty fast to put on when you have a hoist. Oops. How come I can get my fingers in there? What's going on? What's going on? Oh, somebody might have screwed up. Oh, let's see. Driver's side hitch. I have to lift it up and see. It was on before, so I just have to figure out what I did this time. Okay. Somebody's a bonehead. Another wonderful time. Yeah, it's okay. There's a room back there. When I first put my hand back there, I was freaking out because all I hit is tubing. But that one bolt's right up here. Right there. So I can put it on. Tighten her down. And I can see what I'm doing too. I think I need to put this on something. Hold on. We'll get ourselves a nice extension. A formidable extension. Do, 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 do. Where are ya? Okay. Right there. Oh, I can't use an impact socket. I have to use a thinner regular socket, and this is 15/16. Okay. Let's put them on by hand first, I guess. This one is easy. It's already on, actually. And this one here, It's already on too. So we just got 1, 2 in between. And right there. Yeah, perfect. That socket is huge. I can actually almost see it. Okay, that one's ready for the impact. Good. Next one is right up here. I should see the heat mark from the weld. Where is it? Right there. Actually, this side of the stock beam I'm underneath here, it has a dip in it and a drain hole. So that's why it's hard to get it in there. Whoops. But with a short socket, work. I hope that's on there. Yep. Okay, I'm just gonna impact it then with a sear ding. This there ding. Okay. Come on, baby. Over here. Let's use this one. Perfect. There's your heavy duty bumper. It matches the front. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Or subscribe and like. Comment would be nice once in a while. Why you never talk? What's going on? I just banged into my table. Oh.